Don't dox me, bro. Going to a wheels boutique to pick up the 765. It's got downpipes now. We gave it the pipe, got a PPF, we got the ceramic coating. It's gonna look sick. And today, that's what we're going in. Gotta fucking give it some revs.
Oh, yeah.
Not bad. 669 horsepower.
260.
Close.
Been a little too nice to y'all. Now I gotta up price for y'all. Snake eyes on dice for y'all. Shoulders on ice for y'all. Frozen. H6 all the hate. I won't get involved today. Got lost in the ball and age. I'm flipping the bars. I'm flipping the all record, off record. I still count wins when it.
Yo, Mansory, Urus is sick, man. Look at that thing. This beastie 101. Yo. So sick. Wow.
Change the rims and tires.
Wow, man.
It's gonna look even better in a little bit.
Dude, it's crazy what a Mansory shit does. Wow. Yeah. That's sick though. That's different. Let's go see the 765. Dude, there's some sick shit.
Oh. The last part.
Oh, okay, man.
So I forgot about the sensor.
Whoa.
I run through the money, the pressure be calling. Left on my blessings, I feel like I'm falling. The birdie is back. Tell me I'm garbage, I'm going through something, that's why I ain't calling. Phone and progression, it's all that I wanted. The phone in affection, I summon and dub it. Cause bitch, I got problems.
Damn, dude. Yo, the green is like
Really pops now.
really popping. Wow. How's it sound?
Awesome.
Yeah?
Every single piece is PPF. So like rear diffuser, everything.
Did you have to take it all apart to do it? Yeah?
No, it's all pre-cut.
The ceramic coating makes this green look incredible, man.
Yeah, ceramic always like will make it pop.
It actually looks more green now. And it's the lighting as well, but
Yeah.
I'm
Wait till you
speechless.
pull it outside, it's gonna be even better looking.
really.
Because this is like the light of truth. Like any imperfection, anything like that, this light will bring it out.
Yeah. This whole thing's PPF now. We don't have to stress about scratching the carbon fiber sill. Shit, dude. Yeah. Alright, I'm gonna start it up. Might want to get to the back.
Clear out the room, I'm coming through. They wanna see what I'm about. Yeah, I got skills, do it for the thrill. I'm on a paper route. Extra, read about it. I'm today's trending topic. I put commas over bullshit. Yeah, I put that on mamas. They tryna block all my blessings. They thought I lost the snapping. I'm blowing a pack of that OG. And if you did, that's the old me. When the time rock a cold fleece. Pocket fat, that's obese. Money if it's increased. She give me brain.
That sound nasty.
Insane, bro. It sounds good.
Coming down the block, it sounds disgusting.
Yeah?
Disgusting.
Yeah. Yeah, of course I can spin you around the block.
Baby, what? Baby, 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 baby, what? Baby
How was it?
I love it. I want to go again. This is a beast.
He owns it and he never has enough either. It's okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
No worries.
Happy you had fun.
Okay.
Yo, I'm at a loss for words. The pops in between shifts, baby.
Did you put it on track mode?
Oh
With
shit! No, sport. Sport gives you the pops.
No, oh yeah, those give the pops.
Sport gives you the pops.
Because you did really good shifting back there. It sounded like you had the track with the,
No, I was
with
sport.
the fluid.
Yeah.
What is it called again? The
Sport mode.
no, when it shifts.
Yeah. The race gives you that inertia shift. But I like the sport
The
and,
inertia.
and it cuts the ignition.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's like both have good things. Like the inertia shift is like amazing to just send it, but the
When
pops.
are you doing
the
rolling
pops are
burnout?
good.
When I get used to it.
Yeah.
I've only driven it once, second time.
Oh, that's true. Yeah.
Yeah, I got it and came straight here.
You gotta find a giant parking lot
Yeah.
and then just go at it.
Well, I used to do all that shit. Then I almost totaled my 600.
Really?
Yeah. Now my balls are like much smaller.
Tiny.
You get it.
Yeah, with my grandma in the car. We
Yeah.
spun it
Yeah.
3 times on Palmetto and hit the wall.
Damn.
Yeah. I used to drive with no traction control too.
I always drive with traction control.
Yeah.
I hate traction control.
Hate it too. But the 600.
I think it's counterintuitive to me because you can start counter steering, and then it'll cut power or hit the brake in a certain spot, so you're already counter steering, and then it jerks the car. You know what I mean? So like, it's
So
kind
then you
of
don't counter.
So you don't counter. So like, it's kind of like a counterintuitive. Like if you know what you're doing, I guess it's counterintuitive. You know what I mean?
Yeah, the 600 was notorious on the courses when the tires were cold. Where the back, you know, normally you slide in a progressive manner, you can counter
It
steer.
just whips.
It just whips.
Yeah.
It whips, and I've never had a car whip on me like that.
I've never like actually like drifted or slid these,
They're not fun.
but like that's what I always imagine is that like it's too jerky.
It's too fast, and you lose. That's why I lost it, man. It just I start going into the drift with my grandma. We're going like
yeah,
onto
and
Palmetto.
then just no
It
point of no return. yeah.
Nothing. And you know, normally you can get off the power and ease off. It was like 70 miles an hour, straight into the wall.
Now
Yeah.
you gotta.
Woo! Yo, this thing sounds incredible. Turn this shit up. Hit the little helmet. All right, it's really hot down here though. Active on, sport mode. Let's do a comfort suspension. All right, take this little finger. You know what, Angel? I convert it. Let's go balls deep, bro. I know it's gonna rain. It sounds so good, baby! Yo, it's Miami sun. Baking my ass.
That lasted 2 minutes.
Yep. 2 minutes of top-down action. Look at that.
Look how much cooler it is now.
Oh, thank goodness. Let me put the little, hold on. But we still get the sound, baby. You ready? Third gear, second gear, going all the way down. That's where it starts, bro.
Right.
This is a car. Ready? Second gear. Better buckle the when you get into this thing. The hazard's on. Gotta put the top down for this. Alright, bro. Into the Port of Miami tunnel. Uh-oh. Did you hear that? No, bro.
Wow.
Wow. That's the word. Dude, I love that. How it gives us a little bit of a backfire. This car is something else, man. The sum of its parts, the fact that it looks good, that it's so fast, that it's so tactile, that it handles, that it steers, that it brakes, that it accelerates, and then it gives you that experience like you've just gone into a vortex, into a wormhole. You are teleporting through dimensions. It has me speechless right now. This is something else. I think it's all enhanced because you can lower this thing right here. I can't imagine the coupe being this fun, and I can tell you unequivocally my 600 was not like this. Like, I loved my 600, but this is something else. Listen. All right, merging right here on A1A. What an experience. I'm sorry, but there's no one in any car right now having as good of an experience as this. This open air experience with that engine, those pops, those bangs, that speed, that torque. Nope, doesn't exist. Doesn't exist. An experience, ladies and gentlemen. Oh my god, man, those downpipes, the pops, the explosions, the flames, dude. Down the tunnel too was so loud. Like, I literally felt like going, you know, like when you shoot off in Space Mountain. That was exactly like that. Brought me to my childhood. What a car. Not to mention, bro, look at that PPF and ceramic coating. The car is green now. Really pops. $1 million car, but I think $1 million experience, guys. Anyways, I think that's all for today. I'm gonna go for some drives, do a night drive, hopefully get some flames popping out the back at night. So if you want to see that video and more content like this, go down below, give me a thumbs up, give me a subscribe, and I look forward to seeing you next video. Take care.